Hello family, in this video I'm going to give you a market update for the Berewick community right here in Charlotte, as well as give you a place where you can drop off donations for the families that have been recently impacted by the fire right here in our community. I'm Sir Ashley, your Berewick neighbor and real estate advisor, and on this channel we talk about money, personal finance, real estate, and all things Charlotte. So if you're interested in any one of those things, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also be sure to hit that bell icon so you can be notified when we drop new videos. I'm going to make this brief because, well, we all want to get this year over with. So if you want a breakdown of the entire Charlotte market update, please be sure to check out this video right here. I will also link to it in the description. Last month, November 2020, there were 13 home sales here in Berewick, and that's up from the 9 in October and up 60% from this time last year. Now, typically during the holidays, there aren't many home sales, or at least home sales decrease, but that has changed this year because we've been dealing with this inconvenience. So what's an additional inconvenience of trying to sell your home during the holidays? The highest home sale was $400,000, and that home was almost 4,000 square feet, and it was built in 2018. And the lowest home sale was for $318,000, and that home was right around 2,100 square feet, and it was built in 2006. Now, while I am an attorney, this is not legal, nor is it tax advice. But remember, you can sell your home and not pay any taxes on the profits, so long as those profits are not more than $250,000 for a single person or $500,000 if you're married, if you've been in the residence or if the residence has been your primary residence 2 of the past 5 years. Now, I bring that up because homes built in 2016 and later are garnering high prices right now in this market. So if you're thinking about selling your home, you'll be able to pocket all that profit if you lived in it 2 of the past 5 years. For you buyers out there, the average days on market is only 20, and while that is higher than the summer months, that is to be expected because during the holidays, the market tends to slow down a little bit. But if you see a property and it's priced accordingly, you still should move on it fast because it will go under contract. There are currently 3 homes for sale in our community that is not under contract. One of those properties has been on the market for 82 days, and another one has been on the market almost 60 days. Now, that is not a good look for our community. And to my neighbors out there who are thinking about selling and wondering what they should price their home at, just know, no matter what price you go with, the market will tell you where you should be priced at. Because this is a crazy market, one of 2 things will happen. One, you will either get multiple offers and your property will sell above asking price, or you will get offers that are lower than the asking price, and then you and the realtor need to go back and consider what the market is telling you. Maybe you need to do a couple upgrades if you want to get that price you're seeking, or you might need to reduce that price. Now let's quickly touch on the recent events that happened in our community with the fire in the village of Selkirk. Now I know a lot of us are praying for our neighbors who recently lost their homes and just about every material thing within those homes. But one of our neighbors, Brandon, set up 2 large totes where you can drop off clothes and household items so they can be donated to the families that have been impacted. Now you can drop those donations off at 8927 Inverness Bay Road. Thank you, Brandon, for doing this. I hope you all have a happy new year. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.